channel. In today's video, I want to give you the easiest tip from an interior designer on how to make your bedroom or any room feel larger instantly. As a designer, the common problem I run into most of the time is my bedroom feels tiny and I want it to feel extra large, like I live in a 5,000 square foot home. But how do I do that on a budget? And I can show you one way that you can do it that requires absolutely no construction. I've shared this tip probably 10 times on all of my other social channels, and every single time I share it, the video, it has a moment. It goes a little bit viral because people are always looking for ways to expand their space, and all you need to incorporate in your home are mirrors. And let me show you some different ways that you can incorporate those mirrors into your bedroom space easily and effectively. My go-to place to add mirrors in the bedroom space is always going to be behind the nightstand. It's the easiest way, and because you usually have 2 nightstands, you can add 2 mirrors, which then again is going to expand the space even further, reflect more light, which is exactly what we want in a darker, smaller room. Now that I've let you in on one of our little secrets, you're going to notice this whenever you're scrolling Pinterest or other social channels, how many people actually utilize mirror behind the nightstand, because it is so common. Usually whenever you're decorating a bedroom, you're trying to figure out ways to fill all the walls in the space, but also not overclutter the space. And a mirror is a way that you can decorate a wall and expand the space, which is something we're always looking to do as designers. And the good thing about this decor hack is it's super affordable. You don't have to go out and buy super high quality mirrors or super large mirrors. You just need 2 matching mirrors to put behind the nightstand, and you can find those at Walmart, you can find them at Target, you can find them at Amazon, which is where I always recommend going, because it's not a mirror that you're going to be using. You're not going to be looking at your outfits in this. You're not going to be trying to take pictures in this. It's just simply to reflect light, which is exactly what we want. Now, if you have windows behind your nightstands, but you still want to add and reflect more light so that it really expands the space, I know you have a corner of a room that does not have a mirror. Usually, wherever the entryway to the room is, the doorway opposite of that is going to be your darkest corner. So that's where you want to add a floor length mirror. You do not want to just hang one on the wall. You want something that is very large, that is going to encompass this entire space and reflect as much light as possible. I actually did this in my room, and you guys may have seen that already, but if you haven't, it just transforms the area. It adds light where there is darkness, which is exactly what we're going for in this darker, smaller room. Now, if you're going to put them behind the nightstand, do they need to be matching? They 100% have to match. It's what works. If you add a circle mirror and then you add a square mirror, trust me, it's not going to look right. In your bedroom, everything is symmetrical. You have the same lamps, the same nightstands, the same pillows. Whatever you do needs to be the same on either side of the bed. Trust me, it does not work in this space otherwise. So whenever you're purchasing the mirrors, buy 2. Find a deal. I don't know. It's what's going to be best, but trust me, you're going to want to get the same mirror to go on either side. Last place you can utilize a mirror in your bedroom is going to be over your dresser. In my room, I don't have dressers. I have this large TV stand. So I have a TV, but I don't really have a space problem. But if you do not have a TV and you had some sort of area like this one, I would recommend, and if I didn't have a TV in my room, I would have a mirror, because it's just gorgeous. It's what's going to look best, and it's what's going to create more light, which is exactly what we're wanting in a bedroom, because a bedroom is always filled with lots of furniture and lots of things, and it can feel very cluttery if you don't know how to decorate it correctly. And by adding those mirrors, trust me, it's just going to transform the space. And lucky for you, not sponsored, Target is having a huge sale on all of their wall mirrors, which is where I just purchased mine. This is the one that I bought for myself. I have everything in my bedroom is accented gold, so I needed something that had gold rims on it, but they have tons of different options, and I put together a huge list of all of them. They are all under $100 plus discounted. So you can get them pretty cheap, because you're going to need 2. Unless you're getting a floor mirror, which there are some of those, but I'm just talking about wall mirrors at this time. Anyways, they're all linked below. Definitely check there if you're in the market to really transform your space. Anyways, guys, I really hope that helped. If you do use this in your home, please tag me. All of my social handles are the same, Interior Design Bestie. Super easy to find me. I would love to see you transform your space, or if you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can see you next time.